In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a cassette tape or vinyl record into a digital format. Hey everyone, I'm Simon, your guide to all things tech. And today I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to convert a vinyl record or a cassette tape to a digital format, such as an MP3 file. Here's what you need. You'll need a USB audio capture card, like this V.TOP audio capture card, which I reviewed in a previous video. I'll have a link in the description to the video. The second thing you need is a computer and your favorite audio software. You can use Audacity, Adobe Audition, or GarageBand. I'll be using Audacity since it's a free software that works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Next up, you'll need a vinyl player or a cassette player. I'll be using a vinyl player for this demonstration. Let's get started. First, plug the RCA cables, the red and white cables, to the capture card. If you're using a Walkman, you'll need to use the 3.5mm cable. Now plug the capture card to the USB port on your computer. Go to your sound preferences and see if the device is detected by the computer. For example, my computer shows the capture card as a USB PNP audio device. Now launch Audacity and make sure to select the capture card in the microphone settings. I also set my output to my computer speaker so I can hear the sound being captured. Hit the record button. Now start the vinyl player and position the needle to the track that you want to capture. Now be patient. You're capturing the audio in real time. So if a track is 3 minutes long, then you'll need to wait for 3 minutes. Once you have captured the tracks, you can edit out all the blank noises. Just select the area on the track and press the delete button. Now it's time to export the track to an MP3. If this is your first time using Audacity, you'll need to download the MP3 encoder. I'll have the link in the description as well. Click File, Export MP3. You can also fill out the tag information if you choose to do so. And that's it. You now have a digital format. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment below if you have any additional tips on capturing audio. Also, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified of new episodes.